Hey there, everyone. So I wanted to give you a quick 2022 tax refund update status with the IRS. So this season has been particularly painful. A lot of people have been waiting weeks, upwards of several months to get their returns from the IRS. A lot of people filed in February and are still waiting for a tax refund. So it's a bit troubling. But the IRS is they're getting through the pile, and they made some updates to their system. So one huge update that came through a few weeks ago, the IRS has updated their Where Is My Refund tax portal, right? So most of you are familiar with this, right? You can go to the irs.gov website and click on the Where Is My Refund button and enter the information on your tax return to try to get a status as to what stage the return is being processed. Well, historically, you were only able to really look up the current period. But now what they've done is they've added an ability to look up the current period and 2 prior years to try to check on your tax refund processing. And I think this was obviously a very good move, but this is also necessary because there were a lot of people that not only are waiting on their 2021 taxes, but they're waiting on those prior years as well. At the start of the year, the IRS still had, I think it was upwards of maybe 14 million tax returns that were still not yet processed, right? And so a lot of individuals are still waiting for many, many months to get their money back. So now, if you are still waiting on a 2019 return or you're waiting on a 2020 return, you can do the Where Is My Refund to check those tax years as well. So obviously, to fill this out is pretty straightforward. It's the year, input your social security number, the filing status that you use on the return, and then the exact refund amount down to the dollar, right? So the reason you have to be precise here is because they're going to cross-check the number with what's in the database. So it's basically a security check, a validation check. So if you get that wrong, then it's not going to give you a status. The other thing that I think is important to look at here is the IRS has been sending out a bunch of letters, just letting taxpayers know that they're still working on their filings. So let me put up a sample here. So this is an IRS letter 2645C. So 2645C letters are effectively just letters that the IRS mails out that lets you know that, okay, we got your information, we're working on the return, but we need more time. I mean, this is the actual language that you would see on the letter, right? So we're working on your account. We need additional 60 days to send you a complete response as to what we're doing. It's purposefully vague, not helpful at all. It just lets you know, okay, if you did file something, they got it. But now they're still looking at it, trying to decide whether to release the refund or not, whether they want to follow up with you on asking for more information, or whether they're just trying to buy themselves an additional 60 days to do something else. Who knows, right? But so this letter is both a good and a bad thing, right? It's good because it lets you know that, look, they did get your tax return, it didn't get lost. So they do have it. They're still looking at it, but it is also kind of troubling because now it just makes you sit around and wonder, well, what's going on, right? What are they looking for here? What do they need more time to do, right? I mean, I think I filed the return as accurately as I could. They've got all my information, so what gives? All right, so if you get one of these letters, unfortunately, the only advice and guidance I can give you right now is just sit back and continue to wait. Continue to wait that additional 60 days, then keep on the lookout for another piece of mail coming through into your mailbox, and then just keep moving forward from there, and hopefully you'll get your money as soon as possible. All right, so that covers it. I hope that was helpful. Again, keep on the lookout for any kind of IRS correspondence coming through the mail because, again, they don't call, they don't email, they just send you letters in the mail, right? So that's what you got to keep on top of. All right, so thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you again.